Nail Reserve and I are teaming up to bring you this video. These nail polishes are high quality, vegan, cruelty-free, and 9-free. 9-free means that they have 9 of the most harmful chemicals removed from their product, making it much safer. Stick around to the end and I will have a 50% off coupon code for you from them. I just selected 6 of my favorite polishes, and today we are going to do a review and swap of every single color. I will be applying a base coat and a top coat even if you don't see it in the filming of the swaps. First, I'm going to apply the base coat to ensure my nails are ready for the polish. This is going on really smooth. The first color I have to show you is called Constellation. It's best to apply thin coats rather than one or more thick coats. It's going on really well, and since it's gel polish, you can work with it for a while and it won't dry until it's cured. Good for cleanup as well. And here is the final result after a top coat. I love the finish and the color literally looks like a constellation. It is so neat and so pretty. The next color is called Ice Mint. I just love this color. It's so fresh and it's going on very smooth. It's nice how you can work the polish onto your nail in any way you want. I like to push it down towards my cuticle first and go up from there. Sometimes I use a little swirly motion to apply it as well. And here is the final result after a top coat. I think it looks even better than in the bottle. The color is a little muted, which I like, and hence me selecting it. And these are thicker polishes, so they're very easy to get all the way on the nail. Here I have the color Dark and Classy, and that it is. I love how this color's going on, another very smooth application. I think I'm really gonna like this one. I've always been a fan of the classier red colored nail polish. After the top coat, this is the final result. I absolutely love it. It's such a deep red color and definitely classy. Next up I have Golden Crown, which I think has a little bit of pink and gold mixed in the color. This gel polish is going on extremely smooth, but it will definitely need more than one coat to build up this to the shade that I'm looking for. After the top coat, this is the final look. I really like this color. It looks so natural, and I like how it goes with any outfit or hairstyle. This shade is called Wonder Why, and if I didn't get this color, I would be wondering why I didn't. This color is gorgeous. It reminds me of lilac. It's going on really smooth and it's easy to apply even for a beginner. After a top coat, the final color is as beautiful as a flower. I am so glad I have this shade. The last color is called Revolving, and it's such a nice shade of light blue. I like how it's not really a baby blue and how it's really quick and easy to apply. Of course, take your time with your gel nails, and in the beginning I suggest curing one nail at a time to get the best look. After a top coat, here is the final result. I like how muted this shade is, and if you're thinking about doing nail art, this would be a perfect base for the undercolor. Stick around till the end to see some beautiful nail art that you can do by yourself at home that I have created myself. Overall, I have to say that these polishes go on very smooth. I love the colors, they're very vibrant, and I've had a very good experience with them so far. So let's go ahead and check out some nail art that I want to show you. First nail art look, we are going to use a base of Dark and Classy. So let me just get that on really quick here. Next, we're going to be coming in with Wonder Why and Golden Crown. We're going to be making a flower onto our finger. So let's go ahead and start with the middle of the flower, and we'll start with Golden Crown. In between each step, you will be curing the nail polish. So here we go. Put a dot right here, a dot right here with the purple. Now it's time to cure. Next, we're going to be coming in with the petals. I'm just going to do them across from each other for now. That way we don't have anything that's mixing with anything else. And now it's time to cure. Using an artist brush can really help the process, so I'm going to finish this up with my artist brush right here. See how it's easier to control the petals when you're putting them on. Okay, and now we will put our purple on. All we have to do is wipe this brush with a clean towel and it'll be good to go for the purple. I'm going to go ahead and cure this and put a top coat on it, and I'll show you the final result. We're also going to be using Ice Mint, and we'll be using Constellation. First, we're going to get Constellation on our little artist brush, and now we're going to draw just little squiggly lines across it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cure this under the lamp. Next, we're going to come in and fill some of the holes with Ice Mint. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat it, and I'll show you the final results. And this is the final result. Tell me in the comments what you think of this nail art so far. Let's get on to the next one. On this next piece of nail art, we're going to start with the base coat of Revolving. Then we're going to bring in some of the Mint and some of Wonder Why. Now this is a fairly easy one. First we're going to come in with a little stripe of purple. Next we are going to cure. Last we're going to come in with a little bit of green towards the top. Okay, now I'm going to cure it and show you the final result. And this is what the final result looks like. Isn't that just cute? Tell me what you think in the comments below of these different nail art styles. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and subscribe so you can not miss out on any of my other creative videos. And give me a thumbs up letting me know that you liked the video. And once again, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.